New at noon, Governor Gretchen Whitmer signed gun violence prevention bills into law this morning in East Lansing. Lawmakers are expected to take on even more gun safety bills later this month. 13 Underside's Veronica Ortega has the story.
Governor Whitmer chose to sign the legislation at Michigan State University's Spartan Stadium 8 weeks after a deadly school shooting that claimed 3 lives. Advocates of the new laws calling it change that we can all be proud of. With the stroke of the governor's pen, universal background checks for all guns and safe storage are now the law in Michigan.
We don't have to live like this, and today we are showing we are not going to anymore. Yes.
The governor was joined by lawmakers, law enforcement officials, and survivors of gun violence. The Sea of Red, members of the grassroots movement, Moms Demand Action.
Well, this is really just a starting line, and we look forward to continuing the work.
Under universal background checks, people will not be able to buy any firearm without a license. The safe storage mandates a person must keep an unloaded firearm in a locked storage box or container. There are consequences for those found guilty of violating the laws, including fines, and in the case of the safe storage law, jail time.
No longer do we only have our thoughts and prayers. We have these tools, and we're taking action.
Next up, lawmakers are taking on bills pertaining to extreme risk protection orders, also known as red flag laws. The legislation would allow firearms to be temporarily taken from someone believed to be a danger to themselves or others.
We've made a lot of progress in 100 days. Guess what? Buckle up. We're going to continue this work.
These new laws were pushed through by a Democratic majority with some Republican support. The so-called red flag laws face an uphill battle, but they are expected to come before the House floor for a vote very soon. In East Lansing, Veronica Ortega, 13 on your side.